Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay.
I'm Hayley.
And this is Our Adventures Are Out There. So thank you to everyone who's liked, commented and subscribed so far. It means the absolute world to us. If you're new here, welcome. This is what we do. Just our adventures out and about, and maybe you'll see somewhere new, and if you've already been to those places, maybe it'll bring back some memories of places that you've maybe forgotten about, and can have an adventure of your own another time. But today we are in Morton, near Wall, in Dorset. Yeah. And we are at the Walled Garden. It's very aptly named. We are here for the first time ever. It is donations on the door.
Yeah. £3 honesty
boxes and things like that. It's about 5 acres of walled gardens, and there's a stream, children's play area, there's a cafe, shop, animals. They've got goats and chickens and rabbits,
guinea pigs,
ferrets. We're going to have a bit of an adventure here. It's winter time. They've got loads coming up, so do make sure to check out their website. Not endorsed in any way, shape or form, but they've got loads coming up. They've got wreath making and brunch with Santa and things like that, so make sure to check it all out. And hopefully this video does the place some justice. So let's go and have a bit of an adventure.
Bye.
great to mention this place works with Employ Mobility, so make sure to check out their website and all the great work that those guys do. Alright guys, we are well aware that it is not the time of year for a red garden, but we love this time of year, don't we? Frosty mornings, and the reds, the browns, the oranges all coming out. Alright guys, and that was the walled garden. We've had an absolute blast. We had a couple of hours here and a bit of breakfast and stuff, haven't we?
Yeah, been nice.
Yeah, really good. Absolute gem of a little place, and yeah, all for a great cause as well. And so definitely be back in the summer to see what it looks like when they've got all the flowers and everything out, and more than the winter colours that we're seeing now. But yeah, absolutely awesome place, isn't it? So yeah, make sure you come down, check it out. We'll pop the postcode in and stuff. But yeah, lovely day.
Till next time.
Until next time, guys, take care, stay safe, and thank you for watching.